I'm not going to sit here and tell you this is the only MP3 player that you can use offline for your OnePlus phone, but it's by far one of the best I've tried so far. Okay, so this here is a OnePlus 12R, and we're trying out a MP3 player with a app, a bass boost, and virtualizer. And let's go ahead and dive into it. You'll first need to go to the Play Store and look for this app in particular, and the makers are these guys here. Once it's fully installed, you will need to give it permission to get access to your files and all that stuff, such as audio files. Keep in mind, this is a offline player, so if you have songs saved on your OnePlus phone, you can access them and have fun playing them, getting the best sound quality possibly provided. If you don't want to use Dolby Atmos found on your OnePlus phone, okay? So you can also go into the settings here, and this will give you some options for you. You got a few more other options here, such as the video player here, which will give you access to also preview or watch your that was an ad, I'm sorry, watch your videos as well. But what's really cool is just to point out the equalizer here. So go ahead and turn it on, and you got some presets here. And these are going to make a great difference. I'm going to avoid playing any kind of songs whatsoever, as you will probably know by now that YouTube is very sensitive in terms of playing audio that's not yours. So there's your bass booster here. And of course, because there is nothing playing right now at the moment, you will not be able to tell. But I just want to show you this here and try it out. Let me know in the comments section, what do you think? And that's that. Like and sub.